Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I'm back with Margalida. We are going to do a ballet hairstyle with 2 Dutch braids. Therefore, I did a slightly diagonal parting, and then I go from the middle of the crown behind her ear, and the remaining hair is tied back into a low ponytail. We're going to work just with the front section for the time being. Here you see the shape that I did is like a triangle. I'm using some hairspray to avoid the flyaways, and now I'm splitting this portion into 2. The part of the hair that I am braiding in the second step I clip away, and I'm applying to the edges some hair gel with a toothbrush. Comb the gel through. And then take a finger wide section, split it into 3 equal strands, and I'm starting to braid from the middle of the head, and I bring it under the middle strand, and then I take the front section and I bring it under the middle strand. We are going to add in hair only from the front, so every time you bring in hair you bring under the front strand, you bring in hair from the front. Comb it through so that it looks neater. Hold it in between your thumb and your index finger. Here you can see it better. Take a section of hair, bring it together with the strand you brought under, and then bring the next strand under. So like this, you add in hair until all the prepared hair from this portion is incorporated, and when there is no more hair to add in, you just finish the braid. If it's necessary, you always can add in some more hair gel just to avoid shorter hairs to peek out, and then you braid until the very end and tie everything together with a little clear elastic. Incorporating the hair just from the front means that we did a lace braid. Now I'm again applying to the other rest portion of hair some gel. I combed this through again. But this time we're going to do a regular Dutch braid, so we're going to braid in the middle. Therefore, again, take a finger wide portion of hair, comb it through, and then split it into 3 equal strands. Bring the strand from the left under the middle, then from the right under the middle, and add in some hair. Again, bring the left under the middle, and we are bringing in, when we do a regular Dutch braid, from both sides some hair. Here again, the right strand was brought under the middle strand, and I'm adding in a slight tiny portion of hair. And this I do until there is no more hair to be incorporated, and then I'm just braiding until the end of the hair. Always adjust with the amount of gel if you need some more. If you have the feeling that you have tiny hairs coming out, just stick them together with the gel. Make sure you braid them under the shorter hairs. Like this, they will stay better inside of your braid. These Dutch braids normally last perfectly 2-3 days without retouching them. If there is any little hair that comes out, use some hairspray, some water, add some more gel the next day, and you will be fine. I opened the deep ponytail, but now I'm going to make a higher ponytail because I want to make the belly bun, and the ballet bun should be in the middle of the head, not so deep down. So make a neat ponytail, smooth everything out. I just used some hairspray And now I'm attaching in the position that looks the most natural for this braid, so don't pull them too much up, the two braids with clear elastics, and around the base of the ponytail with another elastic I'm fixing the ends. This does not have to be perfect, it's just when you do the bun that you do not want them to peek out. Now I'm doing a rope twist braid, so twist to one side and bring over to the upper side. I'm twisting to the right and bringing over the strands to the left. I tie again this together with a clear elastic, wrap it around the base, and then with as many bobby pins that you need, you bring this bun into a nice equal shape. And this is the final result. 2 Dutch braids in the front going into the bun. If you're new on our channel, please be so kind and subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and we hope to see you back soon. Bye bye!